Hey, this is Joe here with Aegis Tactical, answering your questions. And today's question is about restoring your rights. I'm just going to turn this over to the expert, our friend and our attorney, Jeff Young.
Thank you, sir. Nice to see you. Yeah, I get this question a lot. I know a lot of the gun shops and stuff do too, is if somebody has like some sort of crime or something way in their past that was a long time ago when they were young, or even if it was recent, and they want to know how they can restore their rights. Because essentially, if you commit certain crimes, which are essentially felonies, or if you have a domestic battery or something along those lines, they basically make you a prohibited person, which means you're not allowed to possess firearms. So you can't even buy them from a private person. You certainly can't buy them from a shop, and you can't even possess them at all. So what Florida did a few years ago is they passed a statute that allows those type of people to restore their firearm rights. So they created a process where you have to fill out an application, get all the supporting documents that go along with it, send it up to Tallahassee, and then they appoint you like a parole kind of hearing officer, and you have to have a hearing in front of that person where they ask you a bunch of questions, and then they will submit all your paperwork up to the governor to see if you qualify for a restoration. Now, it's kind of a complicated process because it's like anything else that the government does. So one of the services that I offer as being an attorney is I help you with that process. Essentially, you hire me, I fill out the application for you, we can gather up all the documents, make sure all the T's are crossed and the I's are audited, we send everything to the right place. I go with you to your hearing in front of this officer to make sure that we answer their questions correctly, et cetera, and then we can do all this process to get your firearm rights restored. So if you've got anything like that, if you've ever been convicted of a felony or a domestic battery, or if you have any questions about that kind of stuff, because you're getting conditional nons or whatever, you can come see me. I offer free consultations. You just call the office, come in, we'll look through your history, we'll find out if you qualify for restoration or not, and then I charge what I believe is a pretty reasonable fee to basically handle the situation, and then we go through the whole process, and then hopefully we can get your firearm rights restored, and then once you get that restoration from the governor, then you're free to purchase from your local dealer or a gun show or a private person or whatever you want to do.
Awesome. How can they get in touch with you?
Yeah, they can call my office. My website is jeffyounglaw.com, but they can also call the office. It's 941-953-9692. I'm located in downtown Sarasota, right on Fruitville and Tuttle. And again, the consultation is free. Come in, we go over everything. If you qualify, I can help you with the process, and we can make sure we get you back to exercising your Second Amendment rights.
That's awesome. We're going to put a link to his Facebook page or his website and his phone number at the bottom of this video. And if you have any other questions, come see us here at Aegis Tactical at 5103 Lena Rd, right here in Lakewood Ranch. Check us out online at Aegis Guns. Give us a call, 941-755-1610. Jeff,
great.
Thanks for coming out.
Anytime. Anybody has any questions, give me a call.
Sounds good. Have a great weekend, folks.